Alright, last part natin for day 2 and 5 po, Miss Lilac, is stretching tayo. So, hands together. Chest out, shoulders back. So, anterior shoulder, chest stretch. Tapos for more stretch, push down natin ng maigi yung kamay. Alright, to release the tension. Shoulder release. Again, 15 to 25 seconds per pose. Pwede natin ulitin ng 2 or 3 beses. Up, head down. Slightly press. Put the chin. Side. Drop your arm slowly. Other side. Hold mo na sa position yung ulo. Tapos drop your hands. Drop your hands. Around your back. Elbows between your thigh. Now hands sa likod. And knees. Tapos pull, lift. Okay, pataas. Tapos feel the stretch sa lower back. Okay. Tapos option, sa wall, yung arm natin. Hold, tas twist tayo. Against the wall. Twist tayong palayo. Other side. Okay, so that's your workout for day 2 and day 5 po.